And then we started to move into this question about evaluation and quantification, and really looking at engagement as a challenging thing to measure, and just the ways that I think in many cases the good work that's being done is the hardest to quantify. Looking at the longer term, so 3, 5, 10 years out, how are the impacts measured that we do know of, but how do we get the resources and the tools to really look backwards as we tell the story forwards. And how do we find the creative researchers that can really start to look at engagement as something that's measurable. And then we also had some conversation about balancing this sort of quantifying a numbers piece of evaluation versus stories, and the way that those two should really have equal value. And then we had some final conversation just about this idea of measurement existing across organizations. So rather than this program being evaluated, how is the work in our partnerships being evaluated together? Talked a little about things like the Central Corridor Funders Collaborative, and how that might be an opportunity to look at some measurement that exists within this sort of partnership structure.